Today, I'm going to share with you macOS Catalina, how we can make USB bootable drive. So let's get started. The first step will be we're going to open App Store, and it's very important that we sign in Apple ID. So as you can see, macOS Catalina is right here. So I'm going to sign in. Once you are signed in with your Apple ID, then we're going to go on Mac OS Catalina and we're going to say view and we're going to say get. And it says Mac OS Catalina you want to download, and we're going to press download. And it's a big file, it's 8.09 gig, and it's going to take some time. So depending on your speed of internet, it's telling me it's going to take 20 minutes. As you can see, the Mac OS Catalina has been downloaded. If you press it upgrade now, it will automatically upgrade it from Mojave to Catalina. But I'm not going to do that, so I just wanted to close it. Click on the launch pad, and it's right here. Now I'm going to quit. So now we can close the App Store. Now I'm going to get the USB, plug in the USB, and that I'm going to share with you. Install Mac OS Catalina is here. We're going to open the disk utility. So once we plug in the USB, it shows untitled, which is right here. And we're going to press it, and we're going to say erase. And it's very important that the name, we're going to keep it MyVolume. Then the format, we're going to press it, Mac OS Extended Journal. Then we're going to press it erase. And as you see, it's erased, it's done, and also the name picked up MyVolume. And now we're going to close the disk utility, and we're going to open the launchpad again, and this time we're going to open terminal. On the terminal command, we're going to enter. I'm going to write down these commands under the description, so please check it out. You need to enter this command and then hit enter. Then you need to enter the second command, and this command you will also find it under the description. So you just copy and paste, and then you enter, and it will prompt you for the password. And this password is for your computer, not the iCloud password. So I'm going to enter my password and then hit enter. And it's ready to start, and it's redirected to MyVolume. And we're going to press continue to yes. And once we're going to hit enter, the MyVolume will start erasing, and it went away. And if you notice that the name has been changed to install Mac OS Catalina, and it's already started copying to the disk. We started at 6:47, so it's not going to take that long. 10% is already completed, 20% done, 30, 40, 50. Now we are on 60%, and it took us only 2 minutes. 70%, 80%, 90%. We are almost done. It's now 6:51. It took us 4 minutes, and we are done 100%. Now it's copying boot files, and our media has been available on our drive. So if I open my drive, it's right here. So now you can take this USB to any of your laptop or any MacBook Pro or iMac. You can install the latest software, Mac OS Catalina. This is how it's easy and simple to make bootable USB drive for Mac OS Catalina. And if this video helped you out in any way, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye. So now I'm going to exit. We can close the terminal. And now the same USB, the one we exit, and if I plug in back to my computer, and it's going to pop up. So once you open, then you can see install Mac OS Catalina, and it will start installing So that's how it's easy and simple. You make your USB bootable and you can take this drive to any of your MacBook or Mac Pro or iMac, and then you can install macOS Catalina.